Hi guys, this video is to show you how to assemble the electric ball valve actuator and the ball valve here. The actuator has a ISO 50-11 mounting pad. The sizes are F03 and F05. So as long as the ball valve has a F03 or 05 mounting pad, it can be assembled directly with the actuator. So let's get started. I've already got these 3 studs screwed in. Let's do this one. So screwdriver to make sure it's well tightened. There is an adapter on the stem. Let's insert it into the actuator. Okay. Washer, nut. So you'd better use a wrench to make sure it's tightened. As you can see, the assembly of this electric ball valve is very easy, which makes it very easy to install and maintain. So if you'd like more information about our products, please feel free to contact us from our webpage. Thank you.